SPRO, SAP reference, financial accounting new, financial accounting global setting new, withholding tax, extended withholding tax. Here basic settings, click on define withholding tax keys. Here country, IN, so here we need to create these all automatically. Previously I have created, now I'll use this one.
Okay.
Here new entries and official key 192, salary, interest on securities, interest, payment on contractors, brokerage commission, rent, and professional and technical issues. Is all you need to create.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, you will note down, sir.
1 minute.
That's it, enter and save. Sir, note down path also, sir.
Yeah, I will. So whenever this is the initially I will do, right? Whenever I creating the withholding percentage for a specific service.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So check the withholding tax countries. So here, if I updated India means what are the withholding is applicable in India, that list only I need to create it here, correct?
Yes, sir.
The country to country it's variance, and that variance also I need to create a specific country, and then I will create the service also, correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Here check withholding country.
Hmm.
Here new entries.
Hmm.
So country whatever I have already IN is there, so I
Hmm.
am not
Hmm.
doing anything.
Hmm.
Here enter and save.
Oh, okay. Once I created a country, and then I need to uh, go go in this step, and I need to create the service-based detail.
Yes, sir.
So
Already
in
IN is there, so I'm not creating
yeah.
anything.
Okay. So in India withholding it's applicable because
Yes,
I
sir, applicable.
applicable. Okay. So here SPRO, SPRO, okay. Then finance accounting.
Sir, SPRO, financial accounting new,
Continue.
financial accounting global setting new,
Actually, setting, global setting. Setting new.
Withholding tax.
Hmm. Withholding tax.
Extended withholding tax.
Extended withholding tax.
Basic settings.
Basic settings. And then check withholding tax.
Check withholding tax country.
Country. Countries. So here new entry. City. We need to update city.
If it is required, we can update, sir.
Okay, country. And then city, country.
And
Can
save.
that's it.
That's it, sir.
And save. Okay.
The next one, sir.
Hmm.
Withholding tax fees.
Withholding tax fees. It's a
Keys.
percentage, right?
No. What are the keys and
Oh, keys.
description?
Okay. Hmm.
I have said this one only, sir, because country
Yeah.
will be automatically will be there, no? So that's why I did not explain that one.
Okay. Withholding tax key.
That same
Here,
part, sir.
the same path.
But they define withholding tax keys.
Okay. City, tax keys.
Yes.
Here, enter the company key with new entry listed. Excuse me. Listed. Yes. So, one small doubt, ma'am.
Sir.
In income tax, yearly once we will be paying to the government.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In withholding tax, we need to pay yearly, or whenever the service will come, we need to pay to the based on that service we need to deduct.
Based on the service, sir.
No, it will be paying to the government whenever. Today I received one rental service, so I will deduct the withholding percentage, right? In that percentage, immediately it will go to the government side, or it will take a monthly basis. It will be go to government.
Now,
It will
whenever
directly.
we pay,
Hmm.
directly it will go to the government side only.
Okay, directly it will go. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Note it down.
Next one, sir.
Hmm.
The next one, business places.
Okay.
Sir, same path.
Hmm.
Here back. Here under basic settings, India,
Hmm.
and define business place. Here click on new entries. company code S2, section code S2, name, business section for company code, enter. Title company S2 Limited. State, enter and save.
So it's company, okay. The session code we updated, right? We has to something.
Yes, sir.
What is that referring?
Section code.
Hmm.
Sir, in the coming topics, we need to update like section codes because sometimes will not use our company code. Means example, we are paying the taxes now. Our company name will be under top, but through the section code only we are paying some amount like that. We need to easily we can check for that.
Okay. So under the company code, session code, we need to update.
Yes, sir.
So based on that, the tax will be going to the government.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the, see, if you're creating the session code, anything we can able to use it, correct?
Yes,
Anything.
sir.
Okay.
Anything can use.